A full-on commotion and chaos at the JPC meeting. 10 opposition MPs have also been suspended. JPC meeting on the Waqf Amendment Bill turned chaotic, with it looking like the Waqf MPs were raising issues about why ad hoc meetings are being called suddenly. Opposition MPs were suspended. Perhaps the next meeting will be on 27th January, that's Monday, we are told. But clearly, as the government is looking to make amendments to the Waqf bill, and basically if there are sweeping powers that the Waqf board has, which is leading to land grabbing charges, acquisition of the land, especially of poor people, of fishermen, those living in rural areas. And remember, many instances have surfaced from Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra and other states as well. And that's why many are beginning to wonder, especially within the government, how can one board have such sweeping powers that they can lay claim to massive acres of land, especially of the poor people. In terms when the JPC meeting, the Joint Parliamentary Committee meeting that was organised, according to our information, suspended MPs may speak later to the Lok Sabha Speaker. They are claiming that JPC chairperson was showing a high-handedness when the matter was convened. So that's happening right now. Remember, the meeting that was scheduled for today has happened a short while ago, but it didn't last long because already there was a lot of commotion that did happen in this case. Jagdambika Pal is the chairperson of the JPC, and all views, remember, are being heard, but clearly this is a heated debate. Aishwarya Paliwal joins me for the latest on that. Aishwarya, what exactly happened? They are alleging Jagdambika Pal, a chairperson, was showing high-handedness. All opposition MPs suspended, but why?
You know, opposition MPs are being suspended, and this is something that, Pooja, we were expecting, because this is the second last meeting of the JPC and we have seen how aggressive the opposition has been. Now, this is the same JPC, Pooja, the same JPC on Waqf, where we saw it was Kalyan Banerjee who was angry, and in his fit of anger, he threw the bottle. In the process, he hurt himself. The opposition MPs are now saying that they are not happy the way the report is turning out to be, and they are also saying that the way in which members from the Muslim all of them are being heard is something that they are not liking. Jagdambika Pal, who is the chairperson, however, time and again has said that everyone will be given adequate time, and that's the reason why today, this was supposed to be the last JPC, but this has become the second last JPC. There will be another one that will be held on the 27th. Jagdambika Pal, the chairperson, and the government also believe that the report is almost ready and they need to table it either on 31st or 1st. That is what the government and the chairperson is looking at. But now we are seeing all the opposition MPs have been suspended, and they are saying they were the ones who were creating ruckus. Jagdambika Pal and the BJP saying that the opposition leaders were creating ruckus, and that's the reason why.
Shura, what do you hear is happening at the JPC? Because I see that even Mirwais Umar Farooq, a lot of other Muslim clerics have come in with delegations. They are reaching out to all sorts of views from the community, from the board. So they are definitely listening or trying to at least cater to other views. What are you picking up? Why is it turning into such a chaotic, sensitive matter?
Well, it is turning out to be chaotic because this is not something that we were expecting. That this is not something which the Jagdambika Pal was not expecting. He was expecting the opposition MPs to be aggressive, and we all saw some of them being in the well, and some of them were trying to speak when different members were speaking. When BJP members were speaking, we did see how the opposition members were also shouting and raising slogans. So to make sure that that stops, in one swift action, we have seen Jagdambika Pal suspending all the opposition MPs.
All right, so Aishwarya will be tracking all the latest on this, and there are, remember, from the JPC, some reactions that are coming in. What are the leaders saying? Let's listen in.
लोकतांत्रिक परंपराओं का पालन नहीं होगा, नियम और कायदों का पालन नहीं होगा। 22 तारीख को हमारी सीटिंग थी, हम लोग लखनऊ में थे। 24 और 25 का आपने फिर लगा दिया। हमने तब भी कहा कि 24-25 के बजाय आप 30-31 करिए। फिर 24-25 के बजाय रात को 11:30 बजे नोटिफिकेशन फिर भेज दिया कि 25 के अब जो है 27 को। तो जो लोग बाहर से आने वाले हैं, 26 जनवरी के हम लोगों के प्रोग्राम है, और जो लोग बाहर से आने वाले हैं, चलिए हमारे को 2-2.5 घंटे की ड्राइव हो जाएगा, मैंने हो सकता है। लेकिन जो साउथ इंडिया से जो मेंबर्स हैं, जो दूर से मेंबर्स हैं, जो नॉर्थ ईस्ट के मेंबर हैं, तो उनके लिए बड़ी दिक्कत की बात है, किस तरह से मैनेज करेंगे।
बात ऐसी है कि आप इसको एकदम से म्यूजिकल कहते हैं अंग्रेजी में, उस तरह से ही JPC चल रही है। आपने 21 तारीख को लखनऊ की मीटिंग में कहा कि 22/4 तक आपको अमेंडमेंट देनी है। आप सोचिए, हम लोग मीटिंग में रूम में। इसके बाद में कब समय मिलेगा 22 तारीख की 4 बजे तक अमेंडमेंट देने का। फिर भी हम लोगों ने कैसे करके रात भर जानकर कैसे दे दिया। फिर मीटिंग में हम लोगों ने कहा 24 की है, उसके बाद में 25 का क्या हुआ, तो 25 ने पहले बताया पूरा दिन नहीं होगा, 1 बजे तक होगा। बाद में सडनली सुबह बता देते 25 का रद्द हो देगा। क्या कैसे फंक्शनिंग हो रही है आपकी?
अपोजिशन बोलते रहता है मैंने आज तक नहीं रोका, लेकिन जितनी भी मीटिंग हुई जेपीसी की, जब मैं बोलने के लिए माइक लिया तब तक अपोजिशन ने मेरी आवाज को दबाने का प्रयास किया, और आज भी जिस तरह से बदतमीजी की, ये कहीं से भी एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं। अपोजिशन बोलते रहता है मैंने आज तक नहीं रोका, लेकिन जितनी भी मीटिंग हुई जेपीसी की, जब मैं बोलने के लिए माइक लिया तब तक अपोजिशन ने मेरी आवाज को दबाने का प्रयास किया, और आज भी जिस तरह से बदतमीजी की, ये कहीं से भी एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं।
बीजेपी का एमपी तो सोच रहा है वो सब बहुत बड़ा हो गया, जो मर्जी वो बोल देते हैं हम लोग को। अभी जो चल रहा है अंदर में वो तो इमरजेंसी चल रहा है, अनडिक्लेयर्ड इमरजेंसी प्रोसीडिंग चल रहा है। किसी का एजेंडा फिलअप करने के लिए कर रहा है, पॉलिटिकल मोटिवेटेड। और दिल्ली इलेक्शन है इसलिए उनको जल्दीबाजी है, पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड। हम लोग बार बार रिक्वेस्ट किया तब भी वो नहीं सुनता है। चेयरमैन किसी को बात सुनता नहीं है, इसे जमींदारी में हो गया। और हम लोग को अपोजिशन को कोई इज्जत भी नहीं देते हैं। हम लोग को सोचता है हम लोग उनका डोमेस्टिक एम्प्लॉय है, और वो लोग सोचता है सब डेप्यूटी होम मिनिस्टर है, समझे ना? कोई चेयरमैन डेप्यूटी प्राइम मिनिस्टर, ये डेप्यूटी होम मिनिस्टर सब डिफैक्टो ऐसा करके चला रहा है।